Good morning. Damn. About last night. All right, dude, I'm running to pick up the Dunkin'. I'll be back. It's literally like the most beautiful day. I went out last night after my event with like work folks, internship folks rather. Y'all, why did I walk in the house at 12:30? Like I'm a Sprite young child. I literally had like 2 ciders, maybe 3. I was ready to call it work this morning, and I work from home, so like what the hell. Anyways, it's literally a beautiful day, December 2nd, and I'm not even wearing a coat. We are gonna run to Dunkin' really quick. I love living like so close to a Dunkin' and a Starbucks, but the Starbucks is a little bit further away, and honestly I just feel like I need that like greasy stuff, you know. And I got a Dunkaccino, which if you never had one of those is fucking delicious, and I might put some peppermint extract in it to make it festive. I'll check in with you guys when I get my food because I'm dying, yeah, on this Vlogmas day. I got the goods. Don't look at my dirty cart, y'all. I come out of my outfit, office, and this is how Clarence is laying. This is how he gives hugs. Hello, buddy. Hello. He's got crazy eyes, huh? Oh. Hello. What a goober. You're a goober. Oh my goodness. You're a goober too. Okay guys, I'm actually super excited because a package has arrived from one of my Black Friday givings to myself, and I got wait a minute, there's so many packages out here. Hold on just a second. Hey, I'm gonna get the packages. I'm not sure what I have, however I have impeccable taste, so I'm sure it's great. The first thing is something from Walgreens that I guess just didn't ship at the same time. I got more Tums, the chewy ones. If you guys didn't see my other vlog, that's the vibe. These like floss pickers. I swear by these. I floss 2 times a day. I haven't not flossed 2 times a day in years. I seriously, every single day. Could not say the same if that was my life with regular floss, because regular floss is just not a vibe for me. Oh, this is a Christmas gift, so I can't show you guys that yet. I will be doing a video of Christmas ideas. I don't know if that one will be in it, but anyways. Okay, so this one is very exciting. ModCloth was doing like 20% cash back, and I've wanted to try them forever. And I think their aesthetic is so cool. Like it's very retro kind of and fun. Like it kind of reminds me of like Miss Frizzle would shop there, you know what I mean? I have wanted this coat for years, and when I first saw it, it was listed as like $250, and it's like a fashion coat, so I could never pay $250 for a coat that I didn't know if it was warm or not. But I was able to get this coat. Not only was it like 50% off, but I got 20% cash back. So I got it for under $150. Oh, it's heavy. Oh my God. Look at it. The green and the like collar. Get out of here. Okay, I gotta try it on, right? I really hope it fits. This coat is heavy, like, damn, I think they sent an extra button or 2, which I can see as being important since this is a button-up coat and a lot of wear on the buttons can be an issue. Oh no, it doesn't fit. Oh, damn. Oh, it's so freaking cute though. Look at that. Oh, so here it is. It's got like the cutest little A-line. I could probably button it. I don't know. I'm on the fence with this. I'm gonna look and see if they have it in a bigger size because I kind of absolutely love it. I love the shape. I love the length. It's like very long and dramatic, and I don't like buying clothes in order to like fit into them. I think that's kind of toxic. It's like kind of a toxic trait, but it gives me very much Andy, after her transition in Devil Wears Prada, she wears that green coat with the leopard neck. I really like it. So we shall see. Coat is very heavy. It's kind of a bummer that it doesn't fit, but I will totally either decide to keep it or return it and see if they have it in a bigger size. The only thing is if they don't have it in a bigger size, I'm gonna be salty. Okay, I'm nervous because I got 2 coats and I hope they fit. Okay, I'm a huge fan of moto jackets and faux fur. Like, cannot be convinced that there is a better combo. This is really interesting. It's like a weird shearling interior. Huh, it's weird. But it's a cropped moto jacket lined with fur at the top. I don't know if you guys can see that. Like, doesn't have pockets. Oh, no, it doesn't have pockets, but they're like all the way up by my boobs. It's because I'm wearing like a casual bra today. How cute is this? Okay, I love this. A little edgy, a little glam. I really like this. And it's got some stretch in it. So yeah, let's go to a concert. Let's grab a beer. This is very cute. I love this. I'm gonna keep this. And I'm glad I got it because I was really like, do you need another jacket? And the answer is like, if it looks like this, yes, I do. I also picked up these velvet pants. How cute are these? They feel like leggings actually, but I thought these would be so cute for the holidays and whatnot. They're extremely stretchy, so I'm not too worried about them fitting. I'm not gonna try those on for you. And the final thing I got, which I'm a little bit nervous about because it's jeans, right? They're these really cute regular denim jeans, but they have this rainbow stitching across the back of the butt, and then it goes down the front of the flared pant. Flared pants are back. I got these a size bigger than I normally wear because I read the materials and saw that like spandex or any kind of stretchy material was listed as just like a few percentages, like 6%, and most of it was like cotton and denim. That's not super stretchy, especially real denim. These actually feel like they have a little bit of give, which is, I'm sure, the spandex, but I don't know if they'll fit, so I might try these on really quick, and if they fit, I might wear them for my presentation tonight. I have a big grad school presentation, so let me try these on and then I'll show you guys. So here they are. They have that rainbow kind of striping, and then in the front, that's the colorful thing. They actually fit really well. I could not have gone down a size at all. I have like a little bit of space, but not much at all, and pretty much, especially like right through the thighs, they feel like close to max capacity. But I'm glad I got these because I really needed, well, I wanted some flared jeans first of all, but I really needed like a new pair of dark denim. Anyways, for my presentation tonight, I might switch out my shirt, put on a graphic tee, like an MTV tee. I have a cropped one, these jeans, and then wear my moto jacket, and that'll be so cute. And then I can also kind of like take my hair down. It's a little bit of a mess, my hair right now, just because I haven't put any heat on it or anything, and just have been like, you know, it's like a wild animal. But I like it, so I don't want to do anything to it, but I probably should. That's where I'm at right now. But I also don't want to have a bunch of heat on my hair, so we'll see how I feel about this full transition. My nails are an absolute wreck. Next week will be a month since I've had them done, next Monday, and I'm just like, I either need to do them myself tonight or I need to go get them done tomorrow. And I just have so much grad school stuff to do. I think it would be really irresponsible of me to go get my nails done tomorrow. You know what I mean? I feel like I keep doing stuff. Like last night, I went out after my internship thing. I don't know if I even told you guys, and I was out all night, like until midnight, but I was exhausted. And so then I'm like, okay, so when I come back, you know, to work or whatever, today I'm exhausted, and I missed out on a couple of days worth of like, or a day's worth of like project-y stuff I could have done. But at the same time, I'm like, well, damn, like I shouldn't have to put my entire life on pause because of one freaking class. I don't know. So we're spiraling a little bit, but we love the jeans, and I might wear them for a little bit. And I'm gonna Google if, once I get off this, if I can order that coat in a bigger size, because I'm low-key a little bit sad about it, but I'll check in soon. Time to turn the tree on, guys. Wow. Honestly, there's nothing like the tree at night. It's literally so cute. I love it. We got those lights over there. You also need this light. All right, ladies, gents, and friends, I'm gonna take my dogs for a walk now. I didn't end up presenting in my class. I don't know if I told you guys, but I was running super late. My printer did the dumbest shit. Let me show you. I hope you'll understand, but like, why are printers out to get us? So my printer jammed and then it was like load paper. So I loaded like 20 sheets. Why did it take all 20 in at once? And then have the nerve to talk about some load paper. You're going off, okay? You're in a timeout. Damn, how do you turn this thing off? Oh yeah, you take a beat. You take a beat, bro. Anyways, so I'm home. I'm gonna take my dogs for a walk and then figure out some dinner and clean up, but feeling really good. Just need to find my headphones. Then we're going on a nighttime walk, and it is like so nice out right now. It's like 60 something, so yes. Okay, a little bit of a bummer update. I filmed this really cute, not scene, but like we were giving the dogs their like advent calendars, but I didn't push record or something, so I didn't get any of the content, and I don't have a whole lot of plans tonight except to clean the kitchen, finagle something for dinner, and then do more work so that I can enjoy my weekend a little bit. So I figured you guys can watch me clean in like quick motion or something, and I'm probably gonna watch some Vlogmas videos, I think. So actually might want to listen to like some Hawthorne Heights or something. So anyways, give you guys an overview of the kitchen and then what it looks like clean. Oh my gosh, do you guys see that sheen? Oh, I just did the Oculus or the Quest. I don't know what people call it really, for Beat Saber. And then this doesn't look great because I cooked the eggs a little too much on the top. I forgot to cover it. But I made a frittata, which is like one of my favorite things to make. And this one has potatoes, turkey bacon, red pepper, some herbs, and some green onions, and some sharp cheddar. So I bet that's pretty good. We had like nothing in the house, and I was like, I'm gonna go to Target, but I do not have time to be going to Target if I'm being honest. And it was better for me to spend the time playing that game, focusing on myself and on my health and stuff. And now I can eat that and drink some water because I'm super thirsty. I made a frittata. Wow. All right, guys, I'm in kind of my messy bathroom. Don't look at it. But I am braiding my hair so that tomorrow I can wake up and have some like waves in it because I'm trying to keep heat off my hair. Oops. And I'm using this Carol's Daughter foaming mousse, which I never used on my regular hair. So this is Wow African Sew-In Hair. So I would set you up on a tripod so you guys could see me do it, but I don't have a tripod up here and I'm like tired of shit. It's like midnight. So I'm gonna finish this and then I'll show you guys what I look like before I go to bed. Okay guys, so here's my hair. It's nice and braided, and tomorrow I'll take it down and show you guys the results. But I'm sure it'll come out like fine. I'm mostly concerned about just my leave out, blending it with the hair, but because the hair is like a more natural texture, it looks really good. So yeah, we'll see. But I need to wash my face and go to bed. So I have been using this stuff. It's called the Mandelic Cleanser, and I get this from my spa waxing place. It's called Vanilla Sugar, and it's in Peoria. If you guys live in the area, they do waxing, they do facials, they do eyelash extensions, they do microderm, like a bunch of stuff. And there's also a line of skincare, and I've had this for months, you guys. I think it's a great cleanser. It's 25 bucks, so definitely like high-end cleanser. It's cool because I think it is like high-end, and you need so little of it, really cleanse your skin, and you're supporting a small business, so I like that. And the reason I bought this was because I was going in one day to get my eyelashes filled, and of course, like I had the day off. I don't know if it was like a Saturday or I took the day off, and I had a full fucking face of makeup. And I don't mean like, oh, I found it. I mean like I had shadow, liner, eyebrow, I mean just everything. Like, you really shouldn't do that when you're getting your eyelashes filled. But yeah, you really should not do that when you're getting your eyelashes filled, because you have to keep them dry for like 24 hours and you gotta wash the makeup off your face. So I was like, oh my god, like I didn't plan ahead. Do you guys have any like a wipe or something I can use to wipe my face? And it's also kind of nice to like give your your skin a nice deep clean before you get lashes, because if you're gonna lose a lash, like if something's holding on for dear life, you might as well just like wash your face, get them out. Anyways, they gave me some of that Mandelic Cleanser to use, and then at the end I was like, you know what, I actually really liked it, I'm gonna buy it. But I think with any good cleanser, any cleanser you have, you should always double cleanse. Well, today was really nice, but it's been a little colder, so I'm actually gonna double cleanse my second cleanse with Purity. It's a face wash by Philosophy. I usually buy the largest size bottle. It's literally like a liter of this stuff for $50. Lasts me forever. I actually didn't buy another one this year. I'm running like a little bit low. I just love it. It's so gentle and I don't know, it's just really, really nice. So I might look online and see if they're selling it. I usually get it from Sephora. Let me show you guys what it looks like. Looks like this. It's huge. This is all face cleanser. You can also wash your makeup brushes with it, and it's also fragrance free, and it's like, you know, Purity the brand, so it's very pure, so you can use it. I know this angle is phenomenal, but I'm just going to show you guys the other products I use when I really do not feel like doing much to my skin and I'm just like trying to get in and out, right? An eye serum. This is the Laneige Sleeping Eye Mask. I'm like pretty much out of this, but it comes with like the coolest applicator. Like, look at that. It's like a little silicone thing, and it just helps you like get the eye cream really up in there. I like to use something like some kind of serum for my skin. I'm gonna use the lactic acid. This is great. It helps like refine like that top layer of skin, get that off. It can be a little stingy. I get this from The Ordinary, so just read the directions, take your time. And even if you're like, I'm not patch testing stuff, I get that, but like patch test shit that goes on your face, please. After that has settled, I'm going to use this Clinique Moisture Surge. That's a hard word. Moisture Surge. It's really like a fine, perfectly good moisturizer, but I like the Dr. called Water Drop. It's much better, and they have the same like jelly-like texture, but this one's fine. But if you need extra moisture, you can use that. And since it is the winter and I do tend to get really dry, especially under here, I like to end each night with an oil. Cost-effective one would be jojoba oil. I got this from Amazon like a long ass time ago. It has lasted me forever. I have about, like you guys can see, just like about that much left. So really good amount. It's very hydrating for the skin. Yeah, I really, really like that. Looking for something a little bit more high-end, I love Origins. So you could go with Origins, the high potency Nightamins, which is a really cute name, but it's the kind of the same thing. It's a special formula of like all these really good nighttime rejuvenating blends of oils and stuff. So I like both of them, but I'm just gonna use jojoba tonight and go to bed. And using oils at night is perfect because it all soaks into the skin, and then you wake up in the morning and you are like fresh. Ooh, you guys like how you see my pregnancy pillow right there? Not pregnant, never been. Good for back pain though. Sleep with one, trust me. So I go through phases though. Like sometimes me and the pregnancy pillow forever, and some days I sleep so bad with it. So I can only imagine how actually being pregnant would feel. But okay guys, I'm out of here. It's another Vlogmas day in the books. I hope you guys enjoyed today. I know it was a little funky, but I will see you in the next one. Bye.